In a vast ocean, far from shore, swam a porpoise named Orion. A playful, curious creature, he'd explore, seeking out new things that the sea would offer. One day, Orion found a pearl, so bright, radiating beauty, a true delight. He held it close, admired it with glee. But then, a question began to tease. Is this pearl the most valuable thing? Can a pearl bring me happiness to bring? Or is there more, something hidden to find? A wisdom or joy that's harder to define? Orion sought answers from the sea, but no one could give him the key. So he ventured to the shore, seeking advice from a wise old tortoise who'd seen many a vice. Wise one, I've found a pearl so fine, but I wonder, is it truly divine? The tortoise smiled, the pearl is a gem, yet it's not the only treasure to collect. Look at the sunset, the waves, the moonlight, the stars that dance in the darkest night, the laughter of friends, the love you share. These are the true treasures beyond compare. Orion returned to the ocean deep, with newfound wisdom that made him leap. He realized that joy and wisdom lie in the moments and moments, large and small, life's supply. In the end, the pearl was left aside, as Orion swam with a new, enlightened stride. The ocean's many secrets he'd uncover, but the true treasure was in each moment, and in every hour. And so, the story of the Whispering Porpoise spread, a tale of wisdom, of joy, and of what's truly ahead. Remember, the greatest treasures we find are the moments in life and the love that bind.